Good day, viewers. You are welcome. Today we have an interesting functional equations given that f of x all squared minus f of minus x all squared equals 4x. So we are trying to find f of x here for all x that satisfy this. But before I solve it, how do you think of solving this problem in a simple and comprehensive ways? Let's look up the answer in the comment box, and I'll be applying only one method to solve this. If there's another method, let's hear it in the comment box. Solution. So from this problem, we are going to apply the difference of two squared first. We have this as f of x squared. Let's say from the difference of 2 squared, if you have a squared minus b squared, so this gives us a minus b, then multiply by a plus b. This is the difference of 2 squared. Applying it to these expressions, we are going to have f of x minus f of minus x, all in brackets, multiply by f of x plus f of minus x equals 4x. So this is what we have. Then in the next step, let's try and decompose this into the even and the odd functions. So why do we apply this? So this is the easiest way to solve this, by firstly decompose this into one even and one odd part. So assuming I have a solution of f of x equals, let's assume another function, let's say h of even for x, then plus h of odd for x, and whereby we know that anytime we have he is called the even functions and the ho is the odd function. Considering this, let's say we have h of minus x for odd, so we are going to have it as minus f of x. And similarly, if you have h of minus x for even, we have it as f of x. Let's start these two expressions, and from the first one we have h of x having everything to be positive, as we have it as odd. For every odd, this is even, it's always negative f of x, so that the first expression here becomes f of, for the negative x, so we are going to have f of minus x equals the h of e, that is even, for x minus h of odd for x. And after obtaining this, we are going to consider summing the first one and the second one together. So for the first one, suppose I add the first and the second, we are going to have f of x plus f of minus x equals, when we're considering adding the first one and the second one together, we know the first one, the second one for the odd, and the first one for the odd cancelled, since this is negative and that one is positive. While for the even part, they become 2he of x. So that becomes 2he of x, where e is even. And also, when we take the difference of both sides, that is subtracting, so for the difference, we are going to have f of x minus f of minus x. So this also gives us 2h naught. Then we are going to have, so when we take the differences of both sides, so we are still going to have the same thing as 2h naught of x. So therefore, getting to this, let's try and substitute this one back into the difference of 2 squared that we have above. For the first one, we have f of x minus f of minus x, and that gives us 2h naught of x. This is odd. Then plus, So this close bracket, then multiply by 2he of x, then everything equals 4x. So let's proceed to continue with this. So let's multiply 2 by 2. That gives us 4. Then here is h naught of x multiplied by he of x equals 4x. So if you divide both sides by 4, then we have h naught of x multiplied by he of x equals x. So this is what we have for the product of the odd function and the even functions. Alright, so looking at these two expressions, we know that the odd and the product of even equals x. So the simplest possibilities we can have here is when we have h of even here equals to 1 and we have the h of odd equals x. How do we know this? So looking at this, if you multiply this together, odd is x multiplied by 1, so this also gives us x. So therefore, let's try and reconstruct f of x as it is required because we are looking for f of x. So to construct f of x, so we are going to recall from when we have the sum of even and odd. So therefore, we have f of x equals the he of x, then we have plus ho of x, that is even and odd. Then substituting this here, the even is 1 plus x. So if f of x equals to 1 plus x is one of the solutions that we can have here. And also looking at the negative part of this, so since we have two things, so if we are to look for f of x in the second place, so considering the negative part, so though that one falls to the aspect of the negative of this thing, but the other possible solutions that we can have here is when we have f of x equals minus x minus 1 or minus 1 minus x. So these are the two values at which we can have for f of x. And if you want to make it in a general form for us to allow any kind of arbitrary function or arbitrary constant, so we can just consider this expression. So that is in a general way. So we can have our f of x equals to the he of x plus x divided by he of x. So this is the general answers that we can have here, where this x divided by he of x is just like our h naught of x. So h naught of x is the same thing as x divided by he of x. So where this he of x is not equals 0 and is an even function. So thanks for watching, and this is how I solve this. How do you solve this problem? Let's hear it in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.